Hello, dear viewer, I am Robbie Fletcher, and in this video I will show you how to set up and how to connect bots to Metamask. This bot will automatically buy and sell your chosen token. With the setting at what price to buy and sell, I think you will figure it out yourself. My bot is absolutely free, I just want everyone to be able to earn. I will leave all the necessary links in the comments. I also have a lot of videos about trading bots on my channel. Let's see if you can find something for yourself. Leave a like on this video and enjoy the calm music.